Hello everyone, we meet again. Okay, so today we are not gonna learn any technique or medium. You just have to grab a pen, pencil, a sketch pen, maybe a crayon, and just draw freely. Yes, now many of you will get bored after some time, but believe me, it is the only way to improve and gain confidence on your sketching skills. So, what are you waiting for? Go grab your tool and get started. And if you like my tutorials, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow and to bring more such videos to you guys. And if you have any queries, then you can ask in the comment section below. You will be requiring a sketchbook or any sheet, pen, a sketch pen, pencil, eraser, and a paintbrush. I have already drawn a rough sketch. Just a reminder, whenever you draw a sketch, use basic shapes. This will really help you to sketch easily. Also, don't use any tools such as scale, compass, divider, etc. Always go for a freehand sketch. I am using an ink pen here. You can use any pen you want. Your main motive is to draw freehand. I am first drawing the outlines. One thing that you need to be careful about while using ink pen is don't rewrite or redo any portion again and again, else the ink will penetrate and stain the other pages. Be gentle with the pressure. Next, just apply a light shade or stroke, as you can see, in order to create the shadows and the highlights. I am adding few flowers to her frock for some look. I have already added a wooden texture on the bench, as you can see, and also some shades to the cat. See how lightly I have applied the strokes? The interesting part will come later. Now let's move on to the bushes. I'm using a blue sketch pen to create a different tone of blue. You can add few leaves just to enhance the bushy look. You just have to scribble. See? Don't worry about perfection. Just scribble, doodle, add strokes, curvy lines, etc. Sketch freely. And now comes the twist. Take a paintbrush, wet it, and remove the excess water by wiping it, and then blot few areas to give it a catchy look and also to smoothen a portion where too much scribbling creates a rough look. Don't overwet any portion. This effect turned out to be quite cool. And here you go. See, even a rough sketch can be so much fun. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Beautiful Mind. It will be a great support. I'll see you guys next time with another interesting video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.